Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Chase Ultimate Rewards points to Alaska Airlines. Here's the thing. You can't transfer Chase points directly to Alaska Airlines, but there's a workaround. You can transfer your Chase Ultimate Rewards points to British Airways Avios, and then use those Avios to book Alaska Airlines flights since they're partners. Here's how to do it step by step. First, log in to your Chase Ultimate Rewards account. Go to the Chase website and sign in. Navigate to the Transfer Partners section. Select British Airways as your transfer partner. Enter your details, provide your British Airways Executive Club number and the number of points you want to transfer. Complete the transfer. This usually takes just a few hours but could take longer. Book your flight. Once the points arrive, use your British Airways Avios to book an Alaska Airlines flight, either on the British Airways website or the Alaska Airlines website. The transfer ratio is usually 1 to 1, but always double check before you transfer. And that's it. That's how to transfer Chase Ultimate Rewards points to Alaska Airlines. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.